3 o'r gloch. Amser dechrau. Time to start. Croeso nôl I 10 am 3. Helen dwi. A sioc ora, yn Llun-Gwener, mae hi'n bwrw glaw. Mae hi'n oer. Dyw hi ddim yn braf. But the main thing, mae hi'n bwrw glaw. Okay, today is actually a bit of a milestone because we're reaching lesson 20. 20 is 20. In Welsh and Gymraeg, we count in a really logical way, in a really decimal way. So it's fantastic if you've got young children learning to count. It's so logical. 20, 2 tens. Or actually in Welsh, we say 20, 2 10. And this is a feature. After a number, we have a singular. So it's a bit of a digression, but as we're learning 20, let's just look at that for a moment. You've probably also noticed there's a little treigl meddwl, a soft mutation there. So, excuse me while I get my props. Okay, here I've got coffee. So 2 coffee would be 2 goffi. Try it. A chi? 2 goffi. Da iawn. So try these. Cap. 2 gap. Car. 2 car. Nawr, yn Llun-Gwener, dyn ni'n posh. Yn Llun-Gwener, dyn ni'n posh. We differentiate between our coffee cups and our teacups. So here are our teacups. Te. 2 de. A chi? 2 de. If we ever get back to a coffee or a bar, we might want to order 2 wines. 2 win. A chi? 2 win. Or finally, bag. 2 fag. I'll just show you these in turn. You put 2 in front of them. Okay. Coffee. 2 goffi. Cap. 2 gap. Car. 2 gar. Te. 2 de. Gwin. 2 win. A bag. 2 fag. Da iawn. So, practice that. But to take us back to Gwers 20. Iawn. Ddoe, we started looking at giving directions or commands. Not a very nice concept, but we can say it nicely and always add on a please. So, yesterday we looked at the mechanics. I promised today we'd look at maybe some more useful phrases. Yesterday we finished off with codi and eistedd. And the command is coda, eistedda. Coda, eistedda. So again, I'm going to tell you what to do just to practice. Coda, eistedda. Coda, eistedda. Eistedda. Coda, eistedda. Da iawn. Now, with this R ending, I'm actually telling one person to do this. It's the clear T form. And just to recap the rules, if we've got a single vowel, we chop it off. So gyrru would become gyra. Dawnsio, we need to chop off the O. Dawnsia, or sometimes, particularly if the verb ends in a consonant like eistedd, or we had darllen, read would be darllenna. But today, heddiw, let's learn some new vocab. Okay, in a lockdown, we're told it's still important to have routine. The first thing we have to do in the morning is deffro. 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 Deffro means to wake up. And if we've got children, or possibly teenagers, yeah, we'd probably be asking them to deffro. 2 F's. So, to turn this into command, remember the rule, chop off your and add the R. So how do you say, wake up? Deffra. Eto, and again. Deffra. Eto. Deffra. So, after deffro, we already know this one. Codi. Because if your house is like ours, there's a lapse between the deffro and the codi. So how do we say get up? Coda. Da iawn. Coda. So, wake up. Deffra. Get up. Coda. This is something I'm usually shouting at the bottom of the stairs. Deffra. Coda. Breakfast. Okay. Deffra. Coda. 2 more. Bit more difficult words, but again useful, maybe more at the end of the day. Tacluso. 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 And tacluso means to tidy up. Tacluso. Tacluso. So the command would be taclusa. Taclusa. Try it. Taclusa. Taclusa. I'll turn these into commands. Wake up. Get up. Coda. Tidy up. Taclusa. And an easy one to finish. Helpy. Helpy. So to say help would be helpa. Helpa fi. Helpa fi. Helpa fi. Try it. Helpa fi. Okay, I'm going to hide the board. Wake. Deffra. Get up. Coda. Da iawn. Tidy up. Taclusa. And help. Helper, but help me. And we can always put that nice word, please, or helper vi, please. Okay, so if I can say helper, you can hand these. Ffonia fi. Textia fi. E-bostia fi. Dim problem. But let's do another one. Really useful. Now, so far we've been adding an R on the end. But to tell someone go, it's a little bit different. In South Wales, we say cer. 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 Yeah? Cer. Try it. Go. Cer. And y Gogledd, in North Wales, it's dos. Dos. So if you live in North Wales, not North Wales, say after me, dos. Cer. Dos. Cer. Dos. So when we're practicing cer, if you're in North Wales, say dos. Now then, yesterday, a gyda eiriau last week, we did lots of mynd i'r. So I'm going to bed. Dwi'n mynd i'r gwely. Go to bed. Cer i'r gwely. Cer i'r gwely. Cer i'r gwely. Cer i'r gwely. I am. How about if we wanted to say, go to the shop? Cer i'r shop. Have a listen to these. Cer i'r Cer i weld. Cer I wylio cyw. Yeah. Perhaps it's more useful to say go and tidy up than just tidy up. Yeah. So cer I. Try it. Go and tidy up. Dacluso. Cer I dacluso. Go and watch cyw. Cer I wylio cyw. Go and play. Cer chwarae. Okay, so deffro, deffra. Codi, coda. Tacluso, taclusa. Helpu, helpa. Bafi. her. So, dwi'n mynd nawr, her. Her i ddysgu Cymraeg. See you tomorrow. Diolch yn fawr, hwyl.